We'll guide you through how to see what Instagram Reels your friends liked. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, and so you want to go and see what Instagram Reels your friends liked. Perhaps you're interested to go and see this, or you just know that they go and have a similar taste to you, so it's likely they'll go and like those Reels, and also it'll go and include their reposts as well. So we can go through this section and go and check them out. So it's important to note that a friend is somebody you both go and follow. So you'll need to go and be following them and they go and follow you back. So they need to be a follower and you need to be following them. So now once that's the case, what you need to do is you need to go and head to your Instagram Reels on Instagram. So to do that, go to the bottom and go to the left of the messages button and you can go and find Reels. It's actually changed the icon recently. Then what you can do is you're going to be on the normal Reels page. But what you need to do is go and head at the top and it will go and say friends. And you can then go and tap there like so. Now you can start going through here. So you can go and swipe through them as you usually would with Reels. You can go and see which friend went and liked it or went and reposted it, as it will go and you'll go and see their icon in the bottom left. There can be multiple in some cases as well. If multiple of your friends went and liked it, and you can go and tap on one of them and you can go and see who it was. So in this case, GuideRealm reposted it, but also they could have liked it. Now, it is important to note here that you are going to be slightly limited as not all of them will be included and it will be slightly random for the friends included and also the Reels went and liked and reposted. If you're interested in seeing their reposts, you can actually go onto their profile, tap on their name, and you can go to their reposts here and go and check them out. But that won't be liked. So to go find liked, you need to go and scroll through the friends here and go and see them there. So that's it. I only have one in this case. And it'll go and say you're all caught up. But if you've got lots, then there'll be more to go and look at. So that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future.